How to stop someone from posting on your Facebook timeline. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop someone from posting on your Facebook timeline. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Facebook app, and then once you're on your Facebook app, you have to tap on your profile picture or the three lines here, and then here scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then here tap on settings, and now here in settings tap on profile settings, and in your profile settings you have to tap on profile and tagging, and then here you will see viewing and sharing, and then under it you will see who can post on your profile. So tap on it to open, and you can see here that by default it is selected friends, so you have to select only me. So tap here, and now no one can post on your Facebook timeline, only you can post on your Facebook timeline. So to save this settings, you just simply have to tap back or go back, and the settings will be saved. And so this is how you can stop someone from posting on your Facebook timeline. Thanks for watching.